Thanks to our community's library, you can start teaching immediately just in a few clicks. No need to spend sleepless nights preparing for the lessons and creating teaching content. Focus on the actual teaching instead of endless preparation for the teaching. Go to the search bar inside the admin panel. This time, instead of searching for people, type in the title of the textbook. This is the textbook's profile. Go to the Materials section. You will see the list of the lessons. Out of the list, choose the lessons you need. If you are not sure which lessons you want to borrow, click on the icon and you will get inside each lesson. Once you are inside the lesson, go from tab to tab to see what type of content is offered to you. Each tab serves to a specific classroom activity. Audio for listening, attachments for reading books pages, exercise and vocabulary for independent homework, whiteboard to visualize complex concepts, analyze texts, or for in-class teamwork activities. Then return back to the lessons list and fork the lesson by clicking on the star button. Now return to your personal profile page and visit my Materials section. There you will see the lessons you forked. If you go inside each lesson, you will see just the same content. Remember, you can use the lessons, but you cannot introduce any changes. If you want to create your own materials and sell or share them for free with our community, please consult next video tutorials.